Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair using the Olia Brilliant Hair Color in Black Sapphire, which they just came out with a blue black, and I've previously done a few different shades of their blacks because they didn't have a blue black at the time. So they just came out with this, and I did do a platinum black, and honestly this color is a lot darker than that platinum black. So let's just jump right in. So immediately, as soon as I put the hair color on my head, it made my head itch so bad. It irritated me the whole entire time. It itched really bad. But that, I'm surprised I actually lasted that long, the full 30 minutes. But so far, that's like the only bad thing about it. I did just read on the box that it doesn't stick to gray hair. If you have what is that word called? Predominantly gray hair, it's not gonna stick. It's not gonna stick to highlighted or bleached hair, light brown hair, or anything lighter than that. It's not gonna even stick. So if you have blonde hair, like previously colored blonde hair, and you decide you want to go black, do not use this line whatsoever. I didn't know that until just a few minutes ago when I was just kind of curious, like where it said on the box if it covered gray hair. Like, you know how some of them say like they can cover the resistant gray hairs and stuff. I didn't see it on the box, and I just read it. So maybe that's the reason why Garnier and Olia just never sticks to my hair, because I have predominantly white hair. And honestly, I had this one particular hair that's like got 3 inches of like pure white, and so far none of the color that I've tried has stuck to it, and it's already showing white. Like, it's just a little tint of blue, but I can already see when I go like this, like I can see the little shininess of where all the white hairs are. And it doesn't look like it from afar, but if you know, you know exactly what I'm talking about, where you have those pesky little whites that you're trying to cover with dark hair color, and after one wash, if it doesn't stick, you're already seeing the shininess of the white peeking through. So do not use this color or this brand if you have white. I mean, we'll see how long it lasts. It's probably only going to last a couple washes because it's not meant for that. I mean, there's other great brands out there that does cover gray phenomenally and white hair. So, and like bleached hair and stuff like that. So if anyone that's watching this and wants to like buy this, and your hair is light brown and lighter, like bleach blonde to light brown, don't use this. If it's already got highlights in it and you're like, oh, I want to get a blue black to give me like a nice navy blue, I don't know, highlights or something, it's not going to stick. There's other brands out there. Don't do this. This is only meant for like dark hair. Basically, it's only meant for like dark hair only. So if you have like a medium brown to black, you can use this, and you don't have white or gray hair, this color is good for you. Because look, it is so gorgeous. It is so dark. I see the blue in every light. I see it as I'm sitting here just in this light. Like, I can see the blue pop in here. I'm not sure if like the camera's picking it up, but I see the blue. It's such a gorgeous color. Anyways, so this color has toluene in it. It actually, okay, so this is gonna sound weird. It smells good. Like, it smells like a fresh and clean scent. Doesn't smell like hair color, but it also has like a hint of floral. So it's like a fresh and clean floral scent. So it's not like a horrible smell. Like, I just can't put my finger on like exactly what it smells like. But to me, it sort of smells like a floral but it also smells like a fresh and clean. So maybe if there's like a mixture of like a fresh and clean floral out there, this is it. So you don't really need any ventilation because it doesn't smell like hair color, and it's not strong enough to be like bam in your face, but you can immediately smell it as soon as like you start mixing it. Now, if you're going to use a brush and bowl while mixing it, you're going to need to take your brush, the end of it, and like run it through the inside of the bottle to get the developer out, because the developer is super thick. And I debated on mixing the color into the bottle and shaking it, but I would have had to do the same thing just to get it out, because it's that thick once it's like all mixed up. The hair color isn't as bad as the developer, so I don't know. I did get this at Walmart, and I have noticed that with all the other Garnier products, even with the ones that do say that they can cover resistant grays and stuff, they wash out very quickly. Like, they just don't stick to my hair. And after reading this like a couple seconds ago, just trying to figure out if it can stick to gray hair, it just doesn't. It just doesn't stick with me. It just, all of Garnier's hair color, even though they have so many gorgeous colors in all of their lines, I just can't get any of their hair color to stick. But like, do you not see this blue? Like, this is as dark. I was not expecting it to actually show up as dark and as blue as it is. Because, I mean, I have tried their platinum black and a jet black, I think. Trying to compare the two. And I think this is darker than both of them combined. And I can see the blue. I can see the blue every time I move my head. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but I can see the blue right here. And I can see the blue here. It looks jet black, which is great. But like in the sun, I did get a couple pictures of what it looks like in the sun. And it is phenomenal. It is so blue. It is so gorgeous. It's disappointing that it's not going to last in my hair, because my hair feels so good. My hair feels amazing. It's so soft, so sleek, so smooth. It's so blue and so dark. I'm just kind of disappointed that I'm already starting to see some of my white hairs like up in the front. And I'm actually kind of disappointed that it's just going to wash out in the next couple of washes. But it's such a good color. I mean, if anybody has like natural brown or previously dyed brown hair and darker, this will work perfect, as long as you don't have the stubborn resistant grays or whites or anything. Without bleached hair or anything, you'll be great. Like, this will be amazing. This is such a great color. But it's pretty. Yeah, so that's like the only thing I have to really say about it. It's such a pretty color. It's gorgeous. It's dark. You get like basically the best of both worlds. You get your blue and you get your dark black, and you can see it in every lighting, in the sun, in the shade, in your bathroom, in your kitchen. I can see it in every room that I walk into. I'm just like, let's see what it looks like in this lighting. Let's see what it looks like in this lighting. And I can see it. It's gorgeous. I just am disappointed that it itched and irritated my head so bad. And then I just read on the box that it's not meant for like my type of hair. So yes, that was disappointing. And I obviously will not be buying this again because it's not going to work for me. So yes, I hope that this video exceeded everyone's expectations, and it definitely exceeded mine. I'm actually shocked that I can actually see the blue, and it's so pretty from a Garnier color. Just because I have such bad luck with Garnier, I wasn't given high hopes for it. So yes, If there's any other recommendations that anybody else would like to like me to try, I do have like 3 more, I think 3 or 2 more left of recommendations that I have in line waiting. So if there's one that I haven't done yet, or there's like a new brand or new color, blue, black, or black that I haven't tried yet, let me know in the comments below, and I will do my best to find it and see if I can get my hands on it, and definitely give you guys a review on it so you can see what the color looks like on me. I will show you what my hair looks like in a picture of like my before, so you can kind of see like my start off point to the finished result, since I normally just go with like the faded leftover color that I do have, but I usually have like 2 inches of my natural dark brown hair and like all the whites, and you'll see a picture of that. It's just so hard to actually get a good photo of my start off point because it doesn't look any different than, like, you can't really tell. Like, I'm not naturally dark or this black of hair. I color it this way. My hair is naturally a dark brown, but it's so hard to tell in the photos, and like just trying to get that close to my roots to show you. I do have like just one good photo of it, and so you can kind of see like a before and after. But yes, so I will throw that in there so you guys can see what I start off with to the finished result. And yeah, and I'll see you next time in my next video in probably 2 weeks from now. So see you later, guys. Bye.